The purpose of this video is to explain the proper operation and safety features of your PR3100 rotary milking system. The PR3100 is a heavy-duty rotary platform that has moving and stationary components and, of course, operates with live dairy cows. The PR3100 has obvious dangers and safety features that cannot be expected to eliminate all risk. Rather, the safety features of the PR3100 rotary are intended to mitigate risk, and your safe operation of the equipment and the safety of your employees and livestock depends on proper training and an understanding of and respect for the safety features. First, let's have a brief overview of some of the safety features, and then we will point out all of the safety features for proper use of your PR3100 rotary. There are many safety features with your rotary, which include warning decals that will bring your attention to areas of concern when working around the PR3100 milking system. Also included in your system are power disconnects with lockout switches to ensure electrical safety while doing maintenance or service on the electrical part of the system. The emergency stop cable is to be used in the event that the platform needs to be stopped for any emergencies. Prior to starting the milking session, the center basement must be checked for personnel that might be in the area or obstacles that may be positioned to come in contact with a moving platform. Also check the cow platform for obstacles and personnel. Anyone or anything not normally found on the platform should be removed from these areas before starting the rotary. Remove the CIP hoses from the platform and connect them to the CIP hose storage plate. The platform will not turn if these hoses are not connected to the storage plate. This also means that the platform will not move if the hoses are connected to the platform. Turn on the vacuum pump and start the platform moving forward in preparation for milking so you can remove the milker units from the CIP candles. To start the platform, the reset button must be depressed, and this will start the initialization of the controls. Once the initialization is complete, the forward button will now light, and this tells you this function is now available. Press the forward button and the warning light will flash, and the alarm will sound prior to the platform moving. This light and sound should inform everyone that the platform is beginning to move. After the platform starts forward, the buttons that have an LED light will be available to be activated. This includes the Go to CIP or Stop button. The Stop button should be used to stop the platform under non-emergency occasions. Once the platform is stopped with the Stop button, you will see Forward, Reverse, Stop, and Go to CIP as button functions that are available. If you need the platform to reverse, you can now do so, but the Reverse button is a momentary button, and the platform will only travel in reverse while depressing the Reverse button. The process of removing the clusters from the cluster cleaner and closing the CIP door should be done while walking counter to the direction of rotation starting at or near the exit side of the platform. This ensures that the cluster cleaner doors are in the milking position when it passes the cow entry area so that the cows should not come in contact with the cluster cleaner door. Let the milking begin. Allow the cows to enter the parlor. No person should be in the entrance-exit area and/or on the moving platform for any reason. Begin a proper milking routine that your dairy manager has outlined for you. This routine should include priming and cleaning the teats, possibly applying a pre-dip. Be sure to use the proper techniques applying and removing any teat dip prior to the milker unit attachment. To allow for proper milk letdown, be sure to allow ample time between the stimulation and the attachment of the cluster. One suggestion is to use parlor mats to define the pre-milking procedures and attachment area. In the event of a cluster fall-off, the unit will retract because of no milk flow, and the light on the user interface unit will flash red. When cows are part of the way around the rotary, they can be checked for proper milk out. Units can be reattached if needed at this point. If a cow is leaving the platform, and the operator needs to reverse the platform, it will not reverse if the photocell is seeing a cow in the potential pinch point. Once the cow leaves the photocell area, the platform can then be reversed. If during the milking session a cow has not left the platform in the exit area, she will contact the D gate, and the platform will not move until she has exited the platform. Also, cow entrance is protected by an entrance gate. This gate is activated by cow contact from a cow that has not entered completely onto the platform. Once this gate has activated the safety switch, the platform will not move forward until the forward button is depressed. To start the movement of the platform, the cow must not be in contact with the entrance gate, and the entrance gate must return to the rest position. One way to communicate to the other staff that you have reached the end of a group of cows can be a traffic cone or some other indicator in the empty stall. Once the last cow has been milked, you can now prepare for cleanup. The units will need to be put into the cleaning position. Open the cluster cleaner door and place the units on the cluster cleaner. This should be done working counter to the direction of travel of the platform. Once the last cow has exited the platform, the Go to CIP button can be pressed, which ensures that the platform will move to the cleaning position after the last cow has left the platform. During the time that the platform is going to CIP, the platform can be flushed with water for cleanup. Also, this is a good time to use a foamer for cleaning. Wastewater leaves the platform via the inner ring drain. Once the last cow has exited the platform, the Go to CIP button can be pressed, which ensures that the platform will move to the cleaning position after the last cow has left the platform. The proximity switch will activate and the platform will stop in the CIP position. Connect the CIP hoses to the fittings once the platform reaches the CIP position. If your system is equipped with a KOM washer, pump down the receivers and depress the air blow. The air blow activation button should be pressed long enough to clear the line of the remaining milk. If your system has a C425 washer, then you simply need to start the washer and it will automatically clear the line using the custom-defined setting programmed by your DeLaval dealer. Additional cleaning can now be performed. The additional cleaning with personnel on the platform can only take place with the CIP hoses connected to the platform, so the platform cannot move. You should never have anyone on a moving platform. Your PR3100 system has many safety devices, and now we will explain how they function. The emergency stop button found on the console should be used in the event that the platform needs to be stopped in case of an emergency. This switch should be tested daily to validate that it functions. This button should not be used for a non-emergency platform stop. The touch bar that is mounted in front of the receiver groups will activate the stop switch when it comes in contact with anything or anyone. This will stop the platform, and the initialization button will need to be depressed to start the platform again. Before starting the platform, the operator must investigate what has caused the stoppage and correct the situation. In the event that the platform needs to be stopped while inside or outside the perimeter of the platform, the emergency stop can be activated by pulling the emergency stop cable. The emergency stop must be reset by turning the reset knob. Before resetting the emergency stop, correct the situation that caused the emergency. The initialization button must be pressed to resume operation of the platform. Take-out, lockout procedure must be used when performing maintenance on the platform. No one should ever enter this area for any reason unless the power has been removed from the system. Thank you for taking the time to watch this important video demonstrating many of the safety features of DeLaval's PR3100 heavy-duty rotary platform. This video provides only a summary review of the rotary. Please also review carefully and become familiar with the information in your owner's manual. You should now be confident that the DeLaval rotary can milk cows and be operated safely when using a properly equipped system that is operated by trained individuals who exercise proper care and attention. We encourage you to train and retrain all of your employees of the potential hazards and the safety features associated with operating your rotary. We hope this video will assist you in making sure your dairy remains a safe working environment. We value you as a DeLaval customer. Thank you for your attention.